What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the Java was started but returned exit code 13 and exit code 1 when trying to launch Eclipse on Windows 10. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First, open up your File Explorer and navigate to the drive on which you saved Eclipse on. From here, go to Users, your username, Eclipse, Java, Eclipse. Here, make sure to right-click the eclipse.ini configuration settings file and select to open it with any text editing software, such as Notepad. Once it's open, type -vm under launcher.append. You can also copy this from the description below. When this is done, open up your File Explorer again and navigate to your C drive, Program Files, Java, navigate to your GRE and then to bin. The location of these files may vary depending on the JDK version you have installed. Lastly, right-click the file path and select Copy Address. This will copy the address in text form to your clipboard. Next, navigate back to your eclipse.ini configuration settings file and paste the file path under -vm and end this line with /javaw.exe. This will fix your Java was started but returned exit code 13 error you are getting when starting Eclipse on Windows 10. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.